In this video, I will show you how to sew a zipper fly-on pants. Apply fusible interfacing to the fastener parts, as shown in the video. Take the left half of the pants. On the wrong side, mark a line 4 cm below the horizontal mark. Process with a bias tape the seam allowance. To do this, take bias tape and sew it to the wrong side 7 mm from the edge. Make backstitches at the beginning and end. Turn the pieces over, fold the edge of the bias tape as I show in the video, and sew. Make backstitches at the beginning and end. Iron the finished edge. Press to the wrong side 1.5 mm beyond the bias tape. This is what the edge should look like after processing.